Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to enter the cheats on Red Dead Redemption 2. So at first, just open your start menu, pressing escape on your keyboard. And then go to the settings and click it. As your setting page views, all you have to do is press the left shift. And here's a note at first, you have to unlock the cheats, so press the left shift again. You can find the cheats at the web, and after you find it, just type it and hit enter. So after you hit enter, your cheats will be loaded right here at this menu. And select the cheat, you just hit enter. So guys, that's how you enter the cheats on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.